Hello, guys. So we are getting set up here. I'm moving around with my computer right now, and here is my setup. Now, currently, as you can see, I have 6 set up. Now, why 6? Well, I need to get a couple more. That's why. However, look what I'm doing. On the ground, I put a little piece of paper with a piece of tape on it, and that's where my pin goes. When you look at a bowling alley and you look at the bowling pins, it starts with 1 in front, then we have 2, then 3, and then in the back, there are 4. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 10. So we have them set up like that. That way, if a ball knocks them over, I know exactly where to put them when I set them back up. Now, like I said, this is a piece of tissue paper, and tape, and it's going to come off the ground super duper easy. So I'm not too worried about it. So I'm going to set up my 6 right now. When we get bowling full time, I'll have my 10 ready. Don't you worry. But I'm just giving you an intro right now. Now, what else do we have? We have a bowling lane. I have a line set up on the ground, so we can see a line and bowling, line, bowling, and that way we are ready to get going. So I'm going to get you guys set up right there, go over some of the ideas of how we are going to bowl. Now, if you watch the warm-up video, we talked about 4 steps. Now, 4 steps was when I had the ball in my hand, I pushed it out. And as I pushed that ball out, my weak foot went forward. So if I write my name with my right hand, if I pretend there's a piece of paper in front of me and I start writing my name, that's my strong hand. That's the hand the ball's in. My weak leg is the one that goes forward first. So I push that ball forward first at the same time as this leg goes forward. So I'm ready to go. I push and I step. That's 1, 2, 3. And as I let go of the ball right here by the side of my body, not out wide, not up here, by the side. So it's once more time. 1, 2, 3, and I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. And this back foot here, my right foot, slides behind. It slides behind. So if I'm coming at you, it's 1, 2, 3. See that slide? And that's at the same time. Same time. So let's get some practice on that. Let's go all the way back to the wall. And we'll do it twice. So we push out. 1, 2, 3, slide. Stand back up. Push out. 1. I slid first. I gotta do it again because we're doing a 4-step. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if we're doing a 2-step, it's that what you saw me just do. It's that step, slide. So it's that, just like that. So that's kind of a little shorter, like Mr. Briggs up here. He doesn't have a lot of room to go backing up, so he might do that simple little step, slide over there. So let's work on, one more time, that 4-step. That's what I really want us to practice today. Hand on the ball, weak foot ready to go. Ball being pushed out at the same time as 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how that leg is sliding behind. It's sliding behind. It's not that. It's not this. It's not this. It's not this. It's not that. Let's do it 2 more times, and then we'll get ready to go. So 1, 2, 3, slide. Sit up one more time. Push out at the same time that foot goes forward. Left, right, left, slide. Now remember, if you're left-handed, it's just the opposite. The ball's left hand. Right leg is there, and it's right, left, right, slide. Just like that. So 4 steps. Your weak foot goes first. So for my right-handers, left, slide. Left-handers, right, slide. Go ahead and keep practicing that. As you can see, I have my 6 set up right now. That's fine. I'm going to get a little practice in right now. I'm going to try it out. So it's that push left, right, left, and I slide it over there. I got 2. I pick up my ball, and if you can see, those aren't in the way, so I really don't have to move them. Because in bowling, we get 2 chances to bowl, to knock them all over. First time we bowl, we knock them all over the very first time. That's called a strike. Second time we bowl, and we knock over all of them, that's called a spare. Now, all the other times we bowl, we just have to count how many we knocked over. So we're going to go over that in our activity day. So also in our activity, you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. I know you got those. So what's next? Well, Mr. Briggs has got to change and get this room set up to be looking awesome. What do you need to do? You need to make sure you got a ball. You need to make sure you got your 6 or 10, doesn't matter, toilet paper rolls. I put little marks on the ground. If you're able to put little marks on the ground, perfect. If not, don't worry about it. They're just set up, spread out in a 1, 2, 3, 4 fashion, or a 1, 2, 3 in a triangle. And then we have our starting line that's down here. This line right here is about 12 feet away. What does that look like? That's about Mr. Briggs' 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm there. Maybe if you guys are doing it, it's 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. But we're going to make sure we stand behind the line when we bowl the entire time. So remember, squishy ball, socks. I got a pair of socks right there. I'm going to use them when we get going. So get set up, get your line set up, get your toilet paper rolls set up, get your ball, piece of paper, pencil. Wonderful. I'll see you guys in just a second. And when I do, this room is going to be glowing and awesome. What do you guys got to do? Hello, guys. What's up? What do you need right now? Well, as you can see, I'm set up. I'm ready to go for my bowling. We're going to have a blast. However, we got to make our scorecards real fast. I'm going to show you something here that is pretty easy to do. I'm going to kind of make it so you guys can see it nice and easy. This is Mr. Briggs. This is my scorecard. I'm going to have 2 spots on it. As you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many rounds of bowling we got to do. And then I got Mr. B, and this is going to be my score. So I'm going to add up my score. In bowling, how many chances do you get to knock down all the pins? You get 2. So if my first bowl I get 5, I would easily just put a 5 right there. Let's see if you guys can see that. A 5 right there. Now, if my next time I bowl, I get a 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So I put a 9 right there. Then my next time, if I got all of them, if I got a strike, that's 10 pins. 10 plus 0 equals 10. So there is an official, awesome, really cool way of doing bowling score, but that's really hard. And I don't expect you guys to know that because we haven't learned it, and we're not going to be doing that today. So we're just going to add up how many pins we can knock over in our 10 frames. So you're going to bowl right along with me. Now, as you can see, I have my bowling set up down there. Now, if you look closely right there, that's a water bottle. I don't have 10 of my toilet paper rolls. So I'm using water bottle as well. If you have 10 used water bottles, that's going to work perfect. Just 10 objects that can be knocked over. Now, as you can see, I have my 10 objects down there. I have my line right there where I'm going to stand behind a bowl. And if you're paying attention, in our last video, we talked about our push, step, 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 and let go of the ball. So we're going to practice our bowling as well. So right now, I'm pushing pause to get myself set up. I want you guys also to push pause. This is your time to practice, all right? You don't get any practices with Mr. Briggs. When I get back on the screen, it's you versus me, all right? We're going to work together on all of our scoring, so don't you worry about that. But what do you need? You make sure you have an area, a piece of paper made so you can add up your scores. 1 through 10, add up your scores. I'll explain all of that once we get going each frame. So make sure you remember how many you knocked over. If you knock over 10 every time, you're going to be the best. If you knock over 3, then 4, we're going to work together on all of our scoring. So get that going. You guys are awesome. I'm going to get set up. I'll see you in just a second. Push pause, practice, because when I get back, we on. Let's go. First grade, what's up? You ready to bowl? I bowled against kindergarten. Just made my video with kindergarten. I got 100 points. Not bad. I want to get better. So what do you need? You need a ball. I'm going to use a soft, squishy Nerf ball and a sock. I'm going to use both of them. That's how it is. My pins, I'm using toilet paper rolls. If you don't have toilet paper rolls, something that works, red Solo cups work just fine. Also, water bottles. I have one water bottle down there. It's going to work fine. Just something to knock over. Now, I have my line set up. As you can see, I got to stand behind the line. I mean, if you remember watching those videos where I was pushing the ball out and want to do my 4-step walk, we just did that. Also, you need your scorecard. Ready to go. I got my scores added up. We're always going to add up our score. Remember, in bowling, there's a different way to score, but we're not doing that today. We're just going to go, how many pins can you knock over? First grade, you versus me, bowling. Let's do it. All right. Got my ball. I'm ready, first grade. Remember, 2 chances. If you get all 10, write down 10 plus 0. Circle your 10, and then wait for the rest of the class to finish up that round. Ready? Let's go. Frame 1 is a, oh my goodness, what happened? That was a big old bounce there. That was ugly start, guys. That was ugly for Mr. Briggs. I got 2. I don't know how I'm going to break 100 if I'm getting 2. All right, number 2. There we go. That's some more. At least I got 7 knocked over. So that's okay. I can make up that many. I hope. So I got 5 that round. So if you look at my scorecard, 2 plus 5 is 7. I circled my 7. That's what I got on the first frame. I made sure everything is set up, and now I'm on frame 2. All right, I got 7 that round, so that's not bad. As you can see, I didn't move any of my pins because they're already out of the way. So I got my 7 written down, and here's my frame 2. Got him! Yes! So 7 plus my 3 knocked over. 7 plus 3, first grade is 10. All right. So I got everything set up. I come back over to my board. I write down 3, and I circle my 10. So as you can see now, 7 plus 3 is 10. I got my 10. I'm ready to go. Frame 3. Hopefully you're ready. Get set. Frame 3. Let's pull. Oh, all right. I got 7 again. I'm not getting my good stuff today so far. I was getting a lot more points for those kindergartners. Got to figure out what's going on with my bowl. All right, second chance on frame 3. Oh, it will not fall. Oh, no. Will not fall. So, 7, and I knocked 2 over that time. So I got myself a 9. Frame 4, first grade. How you doing? Hopefully your scores are better than mine. We'll find out. Got my ball, pushing everything out of the way. Oh, man, I got 4 again. I think you guys are going to beat me today, kinder or first grade. 4. Oh, my. There we go. Whew, that was saved right there. I got 5, so 4 plus 5. Four plus 5 equals 9. So as you can see, I circled my 9. So 7, 10, 9, 9. Frame 5. First grade. I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to use my softball now. With kindergarten, I had a terrible time with the softball. So hopefully it's a little nicer to me. What a hit! Striker-Rooney! Woo! Wow, Mr. Briggs on fire! Got all 10. So if you get all 10, hopefully you already have because you're better than me. You do this. You mark your 10 plus 0 and circle your 10. If you haven't finished that yet, go ahead. If you still need to knock them over on chance number 2 on frame 5, bowl right now. I'm waiting for you. Don't even worry about it. I'm waiting for you. Okay? Make sure you knock them over and you clean them back up. Mr. Briggs is ready, though. So Mr. Briggs is moving on to frame 6. So get set up. I'm going to wait about another 5 seconds for you. Circle that number. If you need to, push pause real fast to clean up. Frame 6, first bowl. I'm using my sock again. Let's go. Oh, he's on fire! Did it again! Did it again! Woo! I thought my sock was going to be terrible, but it's saving me right now. Another one. Go ahead and bowl your second frame right now. I got to record my 10 again. Finish up that second frame on 6, and then we'll move on to 7 in about 20 seconds, 10 seconds maybe. And we're going to move on to frame 7. Frame 7 in 3, 2, 1. Frame 7, first bowl. Sock. Oh my goodness, I left 1. Oh, that's so unfortunate. So unfortunate. I'll come over here and record my 9. I got to do one more still. So here's my second chance, and I'll set them all back up. Got it. Got my 10. Mr. Briggs is starting to feel it now. Oh, he got his 1 down. He's getting those 10s. They're looking good now. All right, frame 8, getting close. Frame 8, softball again. Oh, no, you kind of slipped there. You only got 4. That is not the way Mr. Briggs wants to bowl. So he's going to have to write down that 4 and try to get some more this round. First grade, you ready? Second chance. Oh, left 1 up. Left 1 up that time on frame 8, so 4 plus 5 is 9. So I'm on frame 9 now. If you want to see my scorecard. So I'm on frame 9. I'm going to go back now to my Nerf ball, see if that will treat me all right. And it looks like I've got 2 left. So I got 8 that time. Not the worst, but I should be able to do better than that. All right, second chance on frame 9. Oh, got them both off the wall. That's how you do it. All right, going to frame 10. All right, frame 10. If you look at my score, I have 2 pluses there. In frame 10, you get your 2 chances to bowl, like always. However, if you can knock all of them over, you get a 3rd chance. So a chance to get some more points. Now, what happens if you get a strike, knock them all down your first frame? Well, then you get the next 2 frames. So you get 3 frames. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going for it. This is frame 10, first chance, Nerf ball. Got him, tenner. Woo! So I set him back, put him down. Yeah. So I put a 10 down to start with. As you can see, I have a 10. And now I get my 2 more chances to bowl. If I knock all of them down again this time, I get 1 more chance to go after all of them have been set up. So here we go. Chance number 2. Oh my goodness, I missed everything. That's not how you want to finish, guys. So a 0. Now this is my last chance to knock over everything. And I got 5. So I knock over 5, and now I got to add my score up. So I'm going to add my score up just like you are. Don't worry about it. So I got 20, 50, 65. 9 times 4 is 36. $101 is my score. 101. Now, what do you need to do next? That's my dog. Her name's Summer. She's wild and crazy. First grade, go to your exit slip. Make sure you fill out your name, your teacher's name, and all that, and tell me your score. Tell me your score. Hopefully you beat me. First grade, it's end of 2020. We're going to 2021 now. It's going to be 10 times better. We're going to have some fun. Hopefully we're back at school full time soon. Exit slip, fill it out. We got our health video on the brain. Do it all. Exit slips, dojo points. Thank you so much, first grade. I've been having a blast up here. I want to get back, but this is week 15 bowling. Signing off for 2020. See you guys in 2021. Bye, first grade.